gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Gearheadgirl, and today we are doing the unboxing of the brand new Garmin Catalyst. Now, if you do not know what the Garmin Catalyst is, go ahead, give it a Google. It is a brand new, it's just out from Garmin. It's pretty impressive. It is an all-in-one data for your race car, lap timer, and driver coach. Now, what I mean by driver coach is, so the claim here is that you've got your camera, you've got your data, and the Garmin Catalyst actually learns the track and then gives you feedback and tells you when you can brake later or accelerate more, things like that, driver coaching, based on your actual data and your laps around the track. It's also, we've heard it'll compile all your laps together and give you your best possible lap. Super excited about this, can't wait to test it out. Today we will just be doing the unboxing and we'll go over what's in the box, and stay tuned in the future for more on the performance. This is super excited about this. I cannot wait to test it out. I've heard lots and lots of good things. So you can see from the box here, you've got the Catalyst, which is a big tablet itself that also comes with the camera. So all this needs to be plugged in, and then it's going to take real-time data and give you real-time feedback as you're out there doing laps on the track. And then you can also review your data when you're done with your session, which is super exciting, especially the driver instructor coach aspect of this. So we'll go ahead and get started. So here we go. All right, right when you open the box, you've got the Garmin Catalyst itself and then the camera. Go ahead. So this in itself is like it's a little tablet. The right colors too. It's got a big section here where you plug in a magnet. We'll get to that in a moment. But here is the actual, it's very lightweight tablet itself. And you've got a tiny little camera. One thing about this is this is a permanent adhesive mount, so you want to be very careful when mounting this. Put it in a place that's not going to obscure your vision and that you don't plan on changing. So if you want to run it in different cars, there is an optional suction cup mount that you can get. It's a little ram mount, so that is handy for that. But here's your camera, and here is your tablet. All right. Now, so go ahead, take this out, just packaging. And you've got Catalyst, looks like stickers. Catalyst sticker, Garmin Catalyst Driving Performance Analyzer, guide, and important safety and product information. So you can see this is what comes in the box. And get down here, it's another little, opens up, and it's got all your ram mount accessories. So you've got this big suction cup. It's going to go to your windshield. Lots of stuff to plug in here. Here's this giant Garmin. It's a charger magnet thing. So basically, just like that. So you've got everything. You get all this mounted up, all these pieces on the windshield. Go put it on. Good to go. You take it off. Review your data. Super simple. Just like that. So super excited about this. Cannot wait to test it out. And let's see what comes. So we've got all the power cables, little ram mount things. We'll have to get these out and play with it for the install. We've got chargers, lots more cables, chargers, ram mounts. And that is it. That is what comes in the box with this new Garmin Catalyst Driving Performance Optimizer. Super excited, cannot wait to try this out. That's all for this video. Please stay tuned to the channel for the latest on the Garmin Catalyst and our findings and how it goes with that. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for more content. If you would like your product featured or reviewed on the channel, please visit www.GHG69.com and hit contact to get in touch. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you back for the next one. See ya. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.